Hi everyone, I'm Chi and you're watching Remote Moms Movement. Okay, so let's talk about clients. Now, finding clients is one of the most challenging parts of online work, especially if you're a newbie. So, paano nga ba? Paano tayo naghahanap ng clients? Now, for you to get clients, you have to understand this one universal truth, and that is clients hire you for their needs. Yun yung primary focus nila. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa kanila. So, they're not hiring you kasi kailangan mo ng trabaho. They're hiring you kasi kailangan kanila to help their business. Now, given that, as a freelancer, it's your number one responsibility na maipaalam kay client kung paano mo sila matutulungan. And when you do this, when you shift the focus from your needs to their needs, mas tataas yung chances mo in getting clients. Now, if they're not yet considering you for the job post, there are three places wherein you can convey that information to the client. Now, the first one will be your freelancer profile. Dapat dito pa lang nakikita na and nalalaman na ni client kung paano mo sila matutulungan as a service provider, as a freelancer. Ano ba yung maiko-contribute mo sa success ng business nila? The second part wherein you can convey that information kay client is sa cover letter mo. That's why it's very important for you to personalize each and every cover letter. Because sa cover letter, this is where you zoom in kay client. This is where you target their particular and specific need. Dito, you really target the problem. Unlike sa freelancer profile mo, wherein it's much more general, dito, ang kinakausap mo na si client na directly. That's why here, you need to really personalize and be specific kung paano mo sila matutulungan. Okay, now the last place where you can showcase or you can convey that information kay client is sa portfolio mo. The reason being is because just as much as tayo freelancer, we sort of wonder kung scam ba si client. Si client, especially the legit ones, they also have that same fear. That's why your portfolio is very important. Because by having a portfolio, you can tell sa client na kaya mo talagang gawin kung ano yung sinasabi mo kayang gawin. It's like you can really walk the talk. And alam mo yun, hindi lang puro kwento, hindi puro invento. And that's where portfolios come in. Now, if you focus on these three areas habang nag-a-apply ka, it increases your chances of getting hired. Because you zoom in sa particular needs ni client and you speak a language that they understand. So there, a tip for you to increase your chances of getting hired. Now, if you find this video helpful, please like it and also remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you're informed every time we have new videos available. Thanks again for watching.